Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to invite friends to Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to invite friends. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this that looks like a gear. Click on it right now. Well, this is the settings page. Once you click on it, these options will pop up. And right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here that says invite friends. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. You can invite your friends via a SMS or simply share it. Select whichever option is best for you. I clicked on the share option. Now do note that I can share it using Google Chrome, Insta or anything. You can also copy the link as well and share it with your friends. And guys, that is it. Once your friends click on the link, they will have been invited to Zangi. Well guys, that is it. That's how we invite friends to Zangi. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.